Use a dime-sized amount of LEROSETT OTC Acne Wash to cleanse your skin. Rinse thoroughly, then pat dry. After cleansing, squeeze a quarter-sized amount of LEROSETT clay treatment onto your fingertips. Rub a thin layer of LEROSETT into your skin. Spot-treating pimples is also very effective. Once applied, allow 5 to 10 minutes for the clay to dry. Rinse off mask with warm water and pat dry. Apply a dime-sized amount of LEROSETT aloe-based moisturizer to heal, hydrate, balance, and nourish your skin. To learn more about the LEROSETT Organic Acne Systems and our other organic skincare products, please visit GanillaofSweden.com.